I'm going to do my demonstration today on the Gale in Context. To locate this website, I went to the Alabama Virtual Library website and I just clicked the search bar and I searched Gale in Context. The very first thing that pops up is Gale in Context, and the rest of the title is middle school. And I chose this because I teach middle school, so I thought this would be a great resource to use. So once you click on the link, it takes you straight to the website. And there's a search bar right here. So I'm going to just search for the term Thanksgiving, and I'm going to do Thanksgiving Day, but I do like how it goes ahead and gives you more specific topics to search. And when I search for Thanksgiving Day, I get an overview about it. But I also have several references I can look at. There's 3 biographies, there's 154 magazines on this topic, and I can look down here to choose and look at all of my sources that have popped up. So I'm going to click on a reference. When I click on the reference, I'm giving a lot of information, fast facts about the topic that I've clicked. The thing that I like the most is that I can click on this Google Drive button here and I can add it to my Google Drive. I can add it to my OneDrive, I can send it in an email, and I can download it. I also like how on the side I'm able to get related subjects, and there's also, it breaks this down into the article contents that are included. I'm going to go back and continue to look at my different sources that popped up. I also have biographies. This biography is about Squanto. And again, I can do the same thing where I can add it to my drive, add it to my OneDrive. My publisher is located up here, and my date is listed up at the top. I can change the font size. I can even listen to it be read to me. And I also like how it goes ahead and it gives me the length. It tells me how many words, and it tells me the content level, and the Lexile measure. If you know more specifically what you're searching for, you can always go to the advanced search area here, and you can type in specifically what you are searching for. You can do a basic search, you can do subject, the author, a brand name, anything here, even the ISBN, to search more specifically for a certain article that you are looking for.